Now, back to our toxic masculinity story. So there was the photo, and the photo is there is the chief of staff of Ministry of Health, anaitwa Dr. Anthony Akoto. So there's this photo where he's holding the handbag ya Susan Nakumicha. Angalia title yake. Title yake ni the chief of staff, Ministry of Health. So should the chief of staff carry your purse?
No, but hey, sasa kama ujui pia kazi yako ni gani tukusaidiaje, we beba handbag.
Kuza kikata na unafikiria angekata kubeba, what would have happened?
I don't think anything would have happened, but
She get fired. I think you don't remember how
but
she's
not carrying a handbag.
I think she'd fire you.
I don't think so.
You don't
But
remember
probably she'd take it as disrespect, but I
Yeah.
don't think she'd fire. That's a bit too extreme. Over a handbag, come on.
Yeah.
No.
Because I'd be like, hell to the no.
Maybe you guys it would ruffle feathers for sure. Yeah.
Alafu at
But I know, like, bruh, why?
and I felt like this photo also made her look super masculine. Like her shoulders are there, like I'm the nigger around here.
Yeah, honestly, he looks a bit emasculated. Even the guy at the back,
Yeah.
look at the way he's staring at him. Like, bruh, are you okay?
How are you seeing her shoulders? Like
Nah, but
HNIC.
Nah, but
head
think
nigger in
about
charge.
it. If you're being bashed daily, there's doctors on the roads. Everybody's against you. You know you have to kind of show, like, you know,
I'm the shit.
it's to some extent. So I can understand why the shoulders are a bit. Yeah, but this is wrong.
Sindio?
That is just wrong.
Okay, but pia lazima nikuulize, you dude, should you be walking around carrying your bag?
No. But I feel like there's certain things I don't think should be a problem. Like if I need you to hold my bag,
Yeah. Hold.
yeah, just hold, not carry. Hold.
Okay.
You can hold my bag. Probably I need to fix my shoe. Probably I need to dash. You get what I mean? You can hold my bag. Question: would you buy pads for your wife?
Yes, I can. It would be, I'd be embarrassed as fuck.
Why is it
I don't
embarrassing?
know. It's just one of those things where, because Kenya ujaisikiaga zile za buda unajuaga mahomoaga wanavaa pad kwa rasa. Ujaisikia hiyo? Like una vile
Not, come on.
kuna kuaga na hiyo.
Diapers and pads are two different things. And you're not going to buy adult diapers. You're going to buy pads. Menstruation is something that is so normal.
Word on the street ni breaks waga zinaharibiwa. So unaenda medukisho one day.
Yes, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
But
so,
I'm asking you about pads for your wife.
I'd buy.
But you said you'd be embarrassed. Why?
I'd feel some type of way.
Why?
I'd like, naeza taka kuibuy ile line iko na mamadha.
I don't understand. But you comfortably buy condoms.
Also condoms we feel some type of way.
Why?
It's just one of those things where like I'm old school. Nagaleta nikikwambia mimi nimetoka kwa time hakukuwa na internet. Hakukuwa na empowerment yenyu. So I'm coming from your level ya ngono ni private. Like mimi nakumkanisha fight na mtoi like back in the days when I was a kid. Kuna mtoi alisemaga unajua buda yako na madhako alifanya tabia mbaya ndio kakuja. Tulipigana.
That's facts. He didn't lie.
Tulipigana. You see, so that's where I'm coming from.
I totally understand. But then again, mwaf. Sex, menstruation, those are things that are very normal. They're very ordinary.
Yeah.
We shouldn't have to have this. Like, to this day, you still hear guys like, oh, I can't be around a babe who's on her period. It's like, bro.
Yeah, kuna watu sema hivyo.
That's nature. Yeah. What do you mean? It's the same way you piss. It's the same way you poo. Period is the same thing.
Yeah.
It's nature.
Yo sijai nini, but nasema tu I'll feel some type of way. I do it still because I have that like ile nakumbuka majuzi wife alinitolea hizo za obvious that what happens if I'm not around and our daughter starts.
Thank you very much. So what are you gonna do?
And I was like, I'm going to handle that shit. I'm going
As
to
you
handle
should.
it. You know, so it's not an any. I was just saying like still, funny enough, right now in 2024, I'll feel more funny buying condoms than buying pads. Yes.
Why?
I just feel like sex is just
you should be proud.
shit.
Like you're practicing safe sex. If anything, you should flag that box of condoms everywhere.
Safe sex hii time yenyu sile mkona hizo matest zenyu za keja.
But you do know they're not always accurate, right?
nothing is always accurate. I think if you live your life na hiyo vitu si accurate unaweza kuwa na stress mingi sana. Yeah, like so with the pregnancy test later, oh it's saying you're not pregnant, but you know these things are never accurate. But like, where do you stop?
It's very true. I don't know, man.
At some point lazima trust vitu and not just the condom. You can trust beyond.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Okay, because I think for dudes, like when we are honest to each other, and even girls, if girls are honest, Roe versus condom can never be compared.
That's very true.
Yeah.
That's so, very true.
Tukufe.
Sindio
hivyo?
Nah, fam.
Yeah, like at some point inakuwa kama tunakufa tukufa unajua Saudi Arabia.
You can't play those games, especially in this generation.
Yeah.
Don't.
I feel like generation yenyu ni worse. Like I don't know if it's
the millennial era or Gen Z.
Gen Z.
Yeah, Gen Z is worse. I'm a millennial.
You're a millennial. Okay. I feel like Gen Z ni worse. Like I saw this woman on a podcast. Alisema something very interesting. She said that girls in their 20s, like a girl by 23, has a bigger body count than a woman in her 60s.
Not
right now. You're saying that like the generation imekuja ika.
I'd say it's debatable. One, because I don't know who I was talking to, but they told me something about it's the only problem with this generation and the past generations is that this one, everything is very televised. We're in a generation where, everything is TikTok, phone, video, Insta story, something for the videos, Telegram. It's too televised. Yeah. But the same things were happening in the 70s. It's the same things. Yes.
No. As someone who existed in the 80s, let me tell you.
That's why I said 70s. That's why I said 70s. People are living like
in the 80s.
People are living like rock stars.
In America. Like
it's the same thing.
To Africa, movement was very hard. You know that, right? Like during Moi days, movement was hard. Like taxis were super expensive. Do you know a taxi from town to Isili in 1992 was more expensive than right now from town to Isili?
That's crazy.
Because number one, cars were rare.
That's what I'm saying. So, it would make sense.
So, ukiwa kwa kijiji yako, ulikuwa kwa kijiji yako, you don't move as much. Ndio katie dem, you had to katia her. There was nothing like ati neza tumia
text or whatever.
Yes. There was no Tinder, there was no nothing. You understand? So right now, people are having more sex. I remember like this is something like I've said a lot of times, like since tuanze pod na Zach, I used to say I can never ask my dad for sex advice.
Why?
Because I felt like I've had more sex than my father. There's no way that dude had more sex than me. Like, yes, Zach, lazima wange meet.
Be very surprised.
Mimi nilikuwa nakatia. Cheki, uko kwa inbox. Majuzi, Ian said that, and I found it super funny. Alikuwa nasema like, there's a day he came to my office, nikiwa Ghetto Radio. Anasema nilikuwa nimefungua, zinaitwa nini? Tabs. Ati nilikuwa nadu hivi, alafu matime naboeka, na copy paste, na paste ya huyu kile niambia huyu.
No way.
And that's the power of the internet. Like, the internet opened up the world so much.
For very different, yeah.
Yes. And mimi nilikuwa before Tinder. Saizi time ya Tinder. It's crazy.
But just because they're there, that doesn't mean that. Okay.
Yeah. Alafu nini? Lazima nikuulize hilo suit ya Shakila. Shakila is threatening to sue Vincent Mboya.
Why?
That story. What did he do? He posted that he's ready to settle with her. And he's heard that her body count is 428 and is ready to be the 429th guy. And she was like, fuck,
I'm definitely suing you. Are you mad?
So, girls, you can't have it both ways.
Why?
1 minute mnataka kuwa sexually liberal. The next minute, like mimi,
sexual liberty and my body count, those are two different things.
Skiza. Mi saizi ruma ikikuwa that Mwafrika body count yako ni 420 na naitisha press conference niko like hi man, now if you want lessons you can subscribe for $5 only. I'm going to
on my
all the secrets.
You're insane.
Who to take your number too, because as we take pride,
double your number.
Yes, we take pride in bigger body counts. Like Damn,
No, I honestly don't think that's the narrative nowadays. Zamani, it would be like, oh my gosh, Yani, you've laid all these mummies. Nice. Now it's just like, honestly, for me, it's a turn off. If you just
have for you, but for us as dudes,
I'll tell you, for most babes, we might necessarily not tell you, but it's a turn off. Like, you tell me you've laid more than probably 10. I'm just like, sir.
10. Kichoko ni mbaya.
Sir, like, okay.
Age of internet.
Nah, like there's a number of questions you can give me and I'll be like, okay, if I tally it with your age, it kind of makes sense. But you're telling me you're only 31, you've smashed almost 75 babes, bro. I'm turned off completely.
So ndio nakuuliza girls manitakaje, because remember when Nani did the infamous interview,
and that's what I'm saying, sexual liberty and body count are two different things. Just because I feel like I want to post my boobs on the internet, I want to throw my ass in a circle kidogo kwa mtandao, that's that.
Haumanishi kuvua nako.
I do that, that doesn't mean please, they don't tally. That's not how it goes.
Oh, okay. Because nini reason kona kuuliza ni the infamous interview nani, this girl, what's her, the one who said her number in Kariobangi 28. This girl, damn, Kamenegoro. You don't remember the infamous interview where she said
when she was asked, was she? I think I remember that. I remember that video.
She was asked, akasema 28, and dudes were like,
I mean, it will always be like that, to be honest. Because babes, men still have this perception of, oh, babes are supposed to be reserved. Oh, you're only supposed to have sex with your husband. But question is, you want a babe who's not having sex and you're having sex with everybody else. So please, make it make sense.
Hasinile, like control
what?
The number.
You're the ones who are sleeping. You're the ones who are sleeping with this girl. So control what?
Skiza.
I want a virgin.
Remember ile kitu tuko tunabonga. Hakuna mtu anataka vatu.
No, Yulia, man. Okay, I want a girl who's sexually reserved, but you're not the one who has a body count of 80. So please, who are you sleeping with? Thank you.
Kila mtu mara moja alafu sasa nangoja husband yake.
Even worse.
Okay.
Wait, are we talking about the men or the babes?
When unaongea mbaya juu ya sisi.
No, men, my issue is you guys have double standards. When men are hoes, no. When men are hoes, it's encouraged. When babes want to be sexually liberated,
Hoes yako inaweza uzwa.
Goalpost imeshift. Even men are slinging dick. What do you mean?
Do you know what it takes?
Tembea kileleshwa, tembea kilimani. There's so.
Do you know what it takes to sell?
What?
Kukutuza deki. Lazima ikue bigi.
Not really.
One. Halafu ukue na like a flat stomach.
Not
you can't
really.
just be like some kadudu na kakitambi. Kona kitambi you better be packing hit. Ukue na mguu wa nini? Mguu wa mtoto. It's like selling it so hard.
Not
as a dude.
really.
Because girls can get it for free.
Not
a lot of places.
Who told you that?
Bambaga sana. Like whenever them argue ati asiwezi pata, you can get. There's always that dude trying to hit my friend zone. That dude is just there, just waiting for that day. Alafu you go and buy.
Why are you waiting?
You go and buy. That dude will just be there. Like,
why are you waiting? If I already told you it's not happening, why are you waiting?
It's because dude si ujidanganya kuna siku moja juu kuna vile.
That sounds like a you problem.
Wow. Kuna siku. Na hii so nendaje kununua na huyu yuko.
That's what I'm saying. That sounds like a you problem.
So nesenda kununua this free.
Kuna variety. The same way men have variety, even babes have variety. The issue is the goalpost shifts whenever it comes to babes.
Because one can be sold to another can.
Hapana.
I'm going to
imagine kuna wanaume wanauza na kuambia si mchezo.
Na ninakwambia hiyo ni rare sana. Like ungekuwa wewe unajua ni mara ngapi niko nimesota tu kwa hao ningejua
kuna tu.
If I knew I could make money and have fun.
Jesus Christ.
No interrupt kuna na making money having fun. Yeah.
Ngoko unauza. Let me ask you in a fantasy world where you have all these qualities that you've stated. Ungeuza?
I'm selling dick.
Are you serious?
Girls. And za kwa OnlyFans.
No way.
Yes. I'd have an OnlyFans account.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's actually crazy.
Inaweza kuwa muuzaji mbora. I'd be there like you had a story.
I feel so unserious. I can't.
Girls, new cheza. Like if you could sell.
No.
kusisi I think it's because of the society.
The only reason why most girls are wauzi morality. Let me tell you, once you plaque bro.
Najuaga.
Nairobi nzima sanote tungekuwa tunauza. It's just like sometimes you sit and you weigh your things out and you're like, you know what, I have more to lose, so let me hold back.
Thank you, Patriot. Otherwise ingekuwa, because I even feel like there's this theory that I have in my head, and I'm sure you're going to dismiss my theory, but I feel like girls for saizi kusettle kwenye itakuwa harder, because like by saizi atasmanisha namaanisha Gen Z. Gen Z it's going to be harder because by the time they're like 30, the amount of dick they've seen, like amenoki skiza atakuwa amenoki this dude who has the average which is 5.5 na ametoka kwa 9 nyingine ile ali have 7 years ago. She's going to be remembering that 9.
Hakuna.
Yes.
Hakuna. The problem is, I don't know why men, like, you guys need to understand right now, women are in a stage where they're literally trying to move like men. Sounds crazy, but that's just how it is.
Yeah.
The same way men can smash like 9 babes and not... It's the same way also babes are moving right now.
But it's
so
different.
That's just because... so how come the narrative is if a man can sleep with 75 babes and can settle...
Was it harder?
A babe who's seen 10 will find it harder to settle. Really?
No, I'm saying like ulamezoea, like, what is it called? Like 9-inch. Like she has a 9-inch in her history.
Who is taking 9-inch in their right mind? Who?
There's some guy.
Unless you're an info.
Settles.
Unless you're an info. Who's taking 9?
I'm ready to settle. Because you can even look at guns. There's a 9mm. Hakunaga nini? Hakunaga 5mm. Hakuna 5.5mm. That's a weapon.
No, because a 5 is honestly, it's not giving. But a 9 looks like a threat. Like if I point that thing in your face, of course, to Ogopa.
Yeah. So it's... Yeah, 5.5 is the average.
I know.
Yes.
But who's taking 9? That's just the question. I literally want to meet a babe who's taking 9.
Wako out here.
That's why I said I want to meet one.
And then they want to settle with a dude with even 6. Like,
it's possible.
Nah. Kyle ingine kwa mezoea kuisikia kwa throat side. Ingine naisikia.
You're dragging it. Okay,
so let's move on kutoka hapo.